Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informative video. So today I have a surprise for you guys. I finally got the Samsung Galaxy A6. So as you can see, here it is in all its glory. I wasn't gonna pick this phone up just because it was pretty pricey. It was about $350, I believe, when it first came out on Boost Mobile. Right now it's currently $150 off. So yeah, I got it for $200, which is not bad. I know it was about $300. I don't quite remember when it first came out on Boost, but I know it was more than $300, like $330, $350. It was pretty pricey. Like I said, right now it dropped down $100, and if you use VETS 2018, you save another $50 on this phone. That's why I picked it up for $200. With the express shipping and taxes, it was about $227, so not bad at that price. I can kind of live with it. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing, guys. This is a Samsung Galaxy A6. So as you can see, here's the box: Boost Mobile, unlimited data, talk, and text. Let me zoom it in a little bit more so we can get to the specs. I like how nice it looks here in the cover. Boost Mobile, of course. Here's the specs. This one has a 5.6-inch HD plus Super AMOLED display. Wow, that's very nice. So hopefully Samsung's known for their displays. A fingerprint sensor. It's going to be in the back. 32 gigs of ROM, 3 gigs of RAM. So it's going to have 32 gigs of internal storage and 3 gigs of RAM, which is nice. This one is rocking a 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. Very, very nice. As you know, the box is how I actually want to see it. This is the Boost Mobile variant. So in the back, let's see what it says here. So same thing, Samsung Galaxy A6. This one has, like I said, a 5.6-inch HD plus Super AMOLED display, 3000 mAh battery, 16 megapixel main camera, and a 16 megapixel front camera. That's bananas on this phone. I know the J7 Refine has 1313. This one's 1616. So Boost Mobile's definitely stepping up their game, and so is Samsung. Fingerprint sensor, like I said, 32 gigs of ROM and 3 gigs of RAM. Android OS, which I'm guessing is rocking 8.0 Oreo. 4G LTE with 2x20 CA and HPUE. 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. Same thing, you pick a plan you can activate in store or online. I usually just do it online. So nothing on top and the bottom. As you can see, on the side you do get no service contract. So let's go ahead and pop this baby open and see what we get inside. Of course, we have to use our handy dandy kitchen knife to open it because it's a hassle to open this. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so after I was able to finally open it, here we go. You know these boxes are, man, they're steel proof. They're just crazy. So let's go ahead and pop it open and see what we get inside. Dust some of this off. Woo! What is this? Ooh, baby, look at this. Wow, wow, wow. I'm already impressed just by looking at the box. I love doing these unboxings. I mean, look at this. I just like how Boost Mobile does it. It's a box inside a box. I tell you every time, guys. Look at that. I mean, it's just amazing how they do it. So let's go ahead and put this aside and see what we have in here. I like this white box with, of course, a logo. It glows, the A6 logo. Samsung, I just love everything about Samsung. So Samsung Galaxy A6. Let's look at the box. So nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom, on the side, nothing on the right side. There's nothing. And then in the back is where we do get a little bit more information. So Samsung Galaxy A6, 32 gigabyte package contains a Samsung Galaxy A6, wall adapter, a bunch of other stuff. But let's get into it so we can actually see with our own eyes what we get inside. So let's go ahead and pop these little tabs open and see what we got inside. Come on, buddy. So there we go. Whoa, whoa, did I just get that dirty? No, my clean box. What did it get dirty with this? Let me see if I can just kind of use a little bit of spit to clean that up. I don't like, oh my God. Look at this big phone. She's a beaut, all right. So here's the phone itself. We'll get more into that. So we do have our charger here. It's not fast charge at all, from any means at all. See if it focuses. So no quick charge, of course. It's a budget device. It's micro. Let's see. Yep, it's micro, guys. So no Type-C. That kind of sucks. I was hoping for a Type-C, but nothing else. Of course, you do have your SIM extractor tool right here in the box. Your terms and conditions, and that's it. Nothing else, no case, no nothing. So let's actually get into the phone and see what we have there. So here's the phone, guys. As you can already tell, there's no battery. The battery's built into it. This phone is cold, man. I know it's cold here in North Carolina, but man, this phone is cold. So that means it's probably metal. So let's go ahead and pop it open. I like that sound. I like that sound. Whoa, look at this beaut. She's a beaut, alright. So let me go ahead and hide that. Whew. Look at that. You can just fingerprint magnet. I like the build. It's like aluminum, I believe it is. It's definitely not plastic at all. Let me just show you how beautiful this phone is. The band's up there. Fingerprint sensor up there. Look at this thing. Good God. So beautiful. So beautiful. But definitely you can tell like my fingerprints are being left. So let's just take a quick look at the phone. So there's a 16 megapixel front camera, earpiece, flash. That's it in the front for you. On the bottom you do have your headphone jack, your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and then of course your charging port. On the right you do have your power button, and you also have a speaker here. So instead of being in the back, you do have a speaker on the right of it on top. That's pretty cool. Also your volume up and volume down rockers in the back, and like I said, in the back, you do have your 16 megapixel rear-facing camera, a fingerprint sensor, LED flash, Samsung logo that's like engraved into the back of it. I like that a lot. It's pretty cool, shiny. Just overall, I love Samsung products. So let's go ahead and give it the first boot up, and let's see if there's any juice. Yep. God, this thing's so dirty. I think it's just because it was cold, maybe. But of course, I'm gonna have to get like a case on it and everything. Wow, just a first glance, guys, I'm liking the phone a lot. It's 5.6 inch. I like watching a lot of YouTube, Hulu, Netflix on this bad boy. So let's see how well it does. It does remind me of my Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve, just kind of by the looks of it, but just in bigger and better specs, of course. So let it just do its boot up and we'll get to it. So as I'm going through the setup, as you can see, it does have facial recognition, so I do like that. Fingerprint scanner, and set up pin. So I'll try that later and we'll get more into that, but I'm just gonna set up right now. So look at these colors, guys. I like that quite a bit. So definitely it's worth taking a look at. So now let's look into it, guys. The screen is 720, so it's not full 1080. That's definitely a bummer, but hey, you know, me looking at it, honestly, just looking at it, you can't even tell a difference. So here we go, it's setting up and everything. Let's just go through it real quick. So quick scroll down menu. So you do have your quick settings, as you know, Bluetooth, auto rotate, airplane mode, flashlight. So let's look at the flashlight. So pretty bright flashlight. You can definitely see it at night. Battery saving mode, mobile hotspot, blue light filter. That's one thing that I do like about this is blue light filter. I watch a lot of videos at night. Secure folder, so if you have it, what, NFC? Woohoo! Look at that NFC. So this phone is saying it has NFC. I'm hoping it has NFC. So that's pretty cool. I know a lot of people complain that their phone doesn't have NFC, but it says NFC right there, guys. So we'll definitely have to test that out. Haven't tested anything out. It just says NFC. Whoa. So you do have smart view, phone visibility, do not disturb, sync, mobile data, and Dolby Atmos. Of course, that's with hooking up a pair of some nice headsets. So right out of the gate, definitely just looks basic. But of course, you scroll up, reminds me of the Galaxy S8, the 9. Just, you know, Samsung overall, how they have it. So not much bloatware just yet. But definitely if I have the 9 Plus right now, it reminds me of it just from the software and everything. So very nice. So that's very nice. Let's look into the settings and see what we have. God, screen's getting really bright. Let me turn down some lights. See if I can make this screen a little bit brighter. There we go. So from here, you just have connections, mobile hotspot and tethering, sounds and vibration, notifications, display, blue light filter, home, wallpaper, themes, battery maintenance. So let's see how much storage we actually get out of the box. Wow, so look at that, it uses 10.4 gigs out of the 32 gigabytes. So overall available is 21.6 gigs, which is nice. So overall, it's pretty cool. Lock screen, of course, biometrics. Let's go ahead and see. So here we go, guys. It's going to show you what software it's running. It's 8.0.0, so hopefully it does get updated pretty soon later on. But overall, guys, I think it's pretty cool. I like the feel. I always like looking at the camera, see how well it is. I'm definitely going to do a camera test and a gaming test. So let's go ahead and see how well it does. So let me put my Goku right here and see how well that looks. Wow. So it does have Bixby vision, and also it has, whoa, the bokeh effect. Definitely can see that right now. I'm definitely liking this camera, guys. Wow. I'm not even kidding. It looks amazing. And this one also is supposed to be able to have that low light. So if you're somewhere where there's low light, like let's say at nighttime, you will be able to turn up the visibility and brightness. So let's go ahead and, I'm not going to go too much into it, but let's look at the front facing camera. So front facing camera looks pretty good, especially with all this light hitting me. So overall, it's 16 megapixels in the front, which is pretty good. But overall, I think it looks good, guys. What do you think? Definitely looks nice. I know with all this bright lights here, doesn't look that well. But like I said, I'll do a camera review later on with this phone, guys. So that's my quick unboxing and first boot up of this phone. It's overall, I think it's very nice to have, guys. So I'll do more into it when we get into it. But thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This is Dragonic Warfare signing off. If you liked the phone, please let me know. Let me turn down some of this brightness so you can actually see it. And there you go. As you can see, it looks very nice. But yes, guys, please comment and subscribe and hit that bell notification when I upload more reviews on this phone, like camera and gaming. Definitely will be doing that. As well, if you want to donate to the channel, you can via my PayPal in the description below. Check out my website. I'm going to have some exclusive content there. And also, you can check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot for only $60 a month. Never throttle or slow down. For only $60 a month. If you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe for a lot more push related videos, prepaid videos, and everything that has to do with tech. Thank you, guys.